Hey y'all, welcome to my channel where I break down Doordash and make it simple for you so that you can capitalize on your Doordash experience with all the beginner mistakes and all of that type of stuff. I'm about to go ahead and start at 11:30, and I'm gonna be done at 7. I might take a break. I usually don't take breaks. I've been taking breaks so I can talk to y'all and let y'all know how I'm doing at halftime. All right, y'all, it's halftime, and I'm doing great today, man. The sun came out a little bit out here in my jackpot city. So far, what I'm at, I made 129, so that's great. So I'm about to continue to keep dashing. Also, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment your Doordash experience. Let me know how y'all doing. I want to know how y'all cities is doing. I definitely want to know if you make more than me. Just like, you know, it's not a contest, but it can be. You know what I mean? So I definitely want to know if you make more than me. So just let me know in the comments. Hit me up. You know what I'm saying? If you just now wanting to sign up, you can go ahead and use my link down there in the description to sign up, and we'll both get some extra money when you complete a certain amount of deliveries. All right. So today I'll be just explaining a couple of tips and secrets to how to basically not waste your time and make the most out of Doordash. You know what I'm saying? But first off, first thing you got to do before you can put these tricks and secrets into effect is you gotta find your jackpot city. If you see my numbers and they're not looking like it's because you gotta find the jackpot city. You know what I mean? Find the city with the best tips. You gotta find the city with the most restaurants, the best roads to drive on. See, the main thing is staying busy. Is Doordash busy out there? Are you getting orders back to back? Are you getting 2 orders at once, 3 orders at once? You know what I mean? Stacked orders. Like, these are the things you wanna do because you want to at least get 3 deliveries per hour. You know what I'm saying? And if it's not 3, then you want two deliveries over $10. You know what I mean? So to do that every hour, you got to find a city that's busy every hour, not just peak pay hours. You know what I mean? I'm talking about every hour from 11 to 7. Excuse me, 11 to 9. That's my favorite time to dash. 11 to 9. That's when everything is open, and that's when everything is slapping, and you can get it in.